welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I wanted to talk about a Saint Botanica product which I have finished up completely. So recently I saw a sale on Saint Botanica's website, and the offers were so crazy, you guys. It was buy one get one free, and the sale just popped on my Instagram ads, and I really could not resist myself. But you guys, your girl managed to control herself, and I really didn't buy anything from the sale. Though I was very curious in trying their vitamin C range, and I was really tempted, you guys. As of now, my skin is really behaving very well, and I really didn't want to experiment with products. That's why I thought of skipping that range too. But I own an eye cream from Saint Botanica's, and I have tried it before when I had bought it, but I thought that I would try it again. So guys, this is Saint Botanica's Pure Radiance Under Eye Cream. I was using the Lotus one. The Lotus one is my absolute favorite, but one day it was out of stock, and I thought that I should try something different in eye creams. So I thought of purchasing this the buff of Saint Botanica's eye cream from Amazon. So I bought this from Amazon.com for around 300 rupees, but I really don't remember the exact price because it's been a while since I have this dabba with me, and the thing is like the prices kind of differ. So if you guys are interested, I will surely link Saint Botanica's website down below just in case you want to know the price. Now coming to the quantity of this product, it comes in a huge tub of 50 grams, which is honestly a very huge amount of product for an under eye cream, and it is very it will last you for a very long time because you really require a very little amount of under eye cream. So the outer packaging of this cream is very heavy and quite luxurious. It feels very nice and very heavy. So I don't know whether the weight of the product is weight of the under eye cream is including of the packaging or just the product is 50 grams. So the packaging also comes with a lid inside. It is like a separator between the outer lid of the product and the cream tub, so that the lid prevents the product from spilling, which is a very good thing in case you guys are traveling. So I have kind of tried using this product when I had purchased it some months back, and the thing is the cream didn't change any color, which was really good thing that there was no oxidation of the cream, unlike some of the creams which I've used and kept inside. They have kind of changed colors, and I have to literally throw that cream out because I cannot risk putting something on my face which has oxidized. So that is a really good thing about this product. So now let us talk about the consistency of the product to you guys. This product is quite thick, so all my dry skin beauties can really use this, and I think you people will really enjoy this cream because it is quite thick and it is very moisturizing for an eye cream. For me, I really don't have such a dry skin. I am a combination to oily sort of a skin type girl, so I think it will be much suitable for dry skin. And you can see I have almost finished the entire product. Like I have emptied the jar. So yeah guys, if you are a dry skin girl, then I'm sure you will obviously love this cream because this cream is really moisturizing and quite thick. So guys, as I have already told you all, and you all have read in the title, that I have actually kind of finished the entire tub of the eye cream. But guys, I want to tell you that I have not finished the eye cream by using it under my eyes because there is a very big reason for that. So I am somebody who wears contact lenses and have worn them for my entire life. And the thing is, whenever I used to start using this cream under my eyes, they used to really start tearing up, and then I don't know, I used to get a very weird feeling. So I really didn't finish this cream under my eyes. So guys, I really like the moisturizing effect of the eye cream, considering that it is a very thick cream, but it really didn't do much or anything for my under eyes. And I really like the cream for its moisturizing effect, but there was no like a significant reduction in any kind of dark circles or any kind of fine lines and all. I don't really have a lot of under eye circles, and I don't even have fine lines either. So for my little to no dark circles, it really didn't do much for my under eyes. it was getting expired in December 2020 and I really didn't want to waste my money. So that's why I started using it as a moisturizer and I've successfully finished the entire tub. Obviously I didn't wanted my money to go waste, and this is another good tip for you guys. If you like any cream, if you don't like any cream, you can definitely use as a body moisturizer or a feet moisturizer, and it will really work fine, and that way you can even use up the product and also your money will not go for waste. Now guys, after using this cream as a body moisturizer, I feel that due to its vitamin C content, the cream has ever so slightly darkened my body complexion, and maybe it's because it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and I really didn't use any sunscreen, so maybe because of that it has kind of darkened my skin tone, which is quite weird. It really didn't do anything of that sort to my eye, but my body has slightly got tanned, and the thing is, because of lockdown I am not going out that much, so I cannot really blame the sun, but I think it is this product which has kind of tanned my skin a bit, which is quite weird for an under eye cream to do. So I really hope that my tan or whatever side effect of this cream really fades away soon from my body, and I'm really happy that this cream is finally over, because I would have to throw it out if it was not over, because I could not risk my body skin more with this cream. So guys, that's it for my review of the Saint Botanica's Pure Radiance Under Eye Cream, and I really don't recommend this cream for anybody. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and comment. Also comment in the comment section down below if you guys have used this cream up and how this thing is working for you. And also I will link the Saint Botanica's website down below, just in case you guys want to check any sort of the ingredients list and all, because I have not mentioned them in the video, but I don't think it is readily available for you guys, so you can just go and check the Saint Botanica's website. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.